Leadership has changed, where teams are spread across screens, time zones, and shifting priorities. Leading effectively isn't about keeping up, it's about leading forward. So ask yourself, are you just managing chaos or truly inspiring your team to succeed? The hybrid workplace isn't a phase, it's now. But most leadership programs still train for a world that doesn't exist anymore. They hand you outdated models, generic advice, and expect you to lead modern teams with yesterday's playbook. That's why we created the Hybrid Leadership Accelerator Series, a focused 2-week blended learning experience built for today's leaders and emerging managers. Whether you're stepping into leadership or sharpening your edge, this series meets you where you are and takes you where you need to go. In just 2 weeks, you will learn how to show up with confidence and executive presence in virtual and hybrid settings, manage performance when you can't see it happening in real time, build trust across screens, even in high turnover or distributed teams, coach with empathy without draining your energy or burning out. And most importantly, you'll stop managing tools and start inspiring people. This isn't just about gaining skills. It's about stepping into the kind of leader your team needs right now. You'll walk away with clarity, confidence, and strategies that actually work in the real hybrid world. Whether you're an inspiring manager, ready to take charge, a seasoned leader adapting to new expectations, or someone guiding teams through constant change, you'll gain a renewed sense of purpose and a practical toolkit to lead with connection and impact. Each workshop is just 2 weeks long, flexible, focused, packed with real-world strategies you can apply right away. You can join individual workshops for $399 per seat, or bundle 6 workshops for $2,000 and upskill your leadership track. Want to upskill your entire team? Ask us about volume savings and enterprise options. This is leadership development designed for what's next, not what's behind. Thousands of professionals have already made the shift. Now, it's your turn. The future of leadership is hybrid, and it starts with you. Visit InSyncTraining.com or schedule your free consultation to build the right path for your goals. Lead with confidence. Lead with connection. Lead what's next.